oven roasting. It's because of the oven
Yeah,
fire.
it's fire. Alamak. Oh.
It just looks like a dot. So good. And enhanced stuff. Pesto.
Oh, garlic pesto, yeah. The tomato slices. There is a whole setup in there, man.
Put it up, man. It's getting max. That's it.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be a red moon this year.
Red moon.
I mean, red moon this year. I mean, this month.
Tonight.
You guys say, hey, what's up, my man? How you doing?
Hi.
We're going banh mi's again, man. Those are good, yeah.
The banh mi's are good. We tried last week, yeah.
The tofu
It's
one.
good. It's good.
And the chicken.
Wait. No, wait.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate
What
it.
is that?
It's veggie, right?
It's veggie, right?
Is it veggie?
Oh,
We don't eat pork.
Oh, really?
But thank you.
Thank you.
You know, does you want something to drink? Thai tea, mango juice? Honest.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mango juice. Yeah, you do.
Thank you.
right,
Thank
Thank you
you.
very much.
Look,
E other.
that is
Which one are
real.
you getting? Veggie. Which one are you getting? Pepperoni? You get the cheese. Right? Mushroom has
Three cheese pun ada Asiago.
Hey guys, how we doing?
Hello.
Can I do for you? Can I get the 3 cheese? 3 cheese?
Just gonna ask you for a signature down there. Give me like 10 minutes on that.
Alright, cool.
Okay.
Alright, thank you.
Delicious pizza.
Fries with no meat?
Yeah.
The jalapenos on the side? Is that
Everything
cool?
else is fine on?
Yeah. The nacho supreme.
What kind of meat?
Chicken.
Everything on it?
Jalapenos on the side.
That's it?
It's fine as a weather.
It's yeah. It's so soft. It's like as a feather.
Blow, now blow. Seeds.
Whoa.
Throw it out.
Oh, you pulled it all like they all just shredded off.
Yes.
But they spread their seeds.
Look, you can spread the seeds all around.
Thank you.
Mango.